There's a boggling rat. It's a boggling rat. Get more boggling action. Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Oh, the good rat guy brush. It's yawning and boggling. Good boy. I'm gonna boggle again. There you go. A happy rat. Oh, we're yawning, okay. You done? Yeah. And yes, he was sleeping on Iron Man's face. Back in the space pod. Alright, now it's time for cage cleaning. I have a big, huge cage. Where's Spike? I don't even know. He's out wandering.